Good morning, guys. So it's day 23, I think, out here in Colorado. We woke up a little late today. Once again, we got back into Frisco area last night from the 70, and it wasn't the best drive. I was held up in traffic getting out of Boulder for like an hour extra. So I did a little bit of DoorDash and pulled up to the spot here. Yeah, today I think we'll just do a little bit of skating, but I kind of want to go on a hike. I want to keep it more of a chill day. I could work a little bit, but I think we're gonna go for a hike and then, I don't know, make some tuna. We'll see what's up. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being along for the ride. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the hype button. Let's get it. These are those days that really test me, you know, because I really don't want to film today, but we're filming. So let's get some chocolate milk in us. Oh, I think I'm gonna get started with breakfast right now and then maybe make that tuna. Oh, that's so good. Honestly, I hate how good that stuff is. All right, I'm thinking apple, finish that banana, honey, almond butter. You guys know the drill. All right, we're looking pretty good now. We got an apple with got hit by the ground. Got a banana that's probably about bad. Got our Justin's vanilla almond butter. We got our Trader Joe's organic raw honey. So we're gonna cut this up, eat this, and then I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make tuna salad now. I'm so upset, guys. I was at the store and I got the nice tuna, right? I like to get the good tuna. One little can of this tuna was like $5.60. Even the cheapest tuna is now like $3. I'm starting to like think it's almost cheaper to go to Chipotle and just ask for a little extra rice and like a little extra toppings, and you'll have 2 meals. It's almost cheaper to eat out than it is to go to the grocery store and then spend the time making the food. Oh buddy, and time for some more rally mode. Yeah, so I figured I'm gonna start showing you guys maybe a couple dashes when I'm out working, so you guys can kind of get a vibe of what's going on. I'm not gonna record every single one, but I thought it might be kind of fun just to try to implement some of the deliveries into the videos. Looks like it's this big house right here. Of course, no easy way to access it. It's so weird DoorDashing. It's like, yeah, you know they have a driveway and a front door, but when you're in the middle of a dash, sometimes it's like, where is the driveway? Where is the front door? It's always so random. Like, is that the front door on the side of the house, or is it, do I have to go in front of that Jeep? All right, Jason, here's your Taco Bell, bro. Leave it at the door. What does the door look like? Okay, perfect. All right, let's get it. Let's go, baby. That wasn't too bad for almost $9. Shut the f, bro. It's not. All right, let's get it. Another order for another Jason. Pretty random. Try not to spill these drinks here. All right, let's get it. All right, you guys know what time it is. Cheers. We got the Oktoberfest Best Day Brewing non-alcoholic. Okay, that's pretty tasty. That's pretty tasty. Yeah, so DoorDash isn't very consistent this morning. We only got 2 orders. And it's lunch rush, but I wanted to take the time and make this tuna salad here and just have a nice lunch, drink this beer, have some chips, make this tuna salad, and just enjoy this little park. I actually haven't been to this park here in Dillon before. Yeah, I like to chop the garlic up first here because the knife gets so sticky and gross. Putting 2 giant cloves in because this garlic is about to go bad here. All right, now we got this onion here that's pretty bad. It's borderline probably not very good to eat. I need onion for the tuna salad. And I like lots of onion in there. These could be chopped a little smaller, but that's all right. I just want to get this made. All right, next up, celery. Next up, relish. Probably should use a lot of that. Yeah, we got enough left for one more batch. Next up, the overpriced tuna. I don't know if I'm going to be getting this anymore, guys. I really like this Wild Planet wild albacore tuna, but this I said was $5.50, dude. That's such a ripoff, man. That should never be that expensive for a can of tuna. So I'm done buying this, honestly. Oh, I need a spoon, of course. Ridiculous, dude. It's probably not that much better than the regular tuna, huh, guys? I really probably shouldn't be trying to think that it's gonna be better, you know? Now for the mayo. I'm just using this Sir Kensington's classic mayo that you can just get at Whole Foods for free. You know what's funny is I completely ran out of salt. Only have one tiny little packet of iodized salt, and that is not enough, so I'm gonna have to go to the store and buy some sea salt. All right, guys, last but not least, very important step right here. Very important is that lemon juice. You want that fresh squeezed lemon juice in that tuna salad. It makes the flavor so good, but you got to be very careful getting the lemon seeds in there. There's that. But yeah, now we're just mixing this up, guys, and it should be good to go. You don't want to leave out any garlic or onion. That's the best part. We got all that lemon juice in there, and that was kind of weird. The lemons I got from Whole Foods, they didn't have any seeds. So it's a little concerning. I might have to go get some more mayo packets. I have a couple more, because this is supposed to be heavy on the mayo, man. All right, guys, moment of truth here. We got a couple of these tortilla chips left. I don't really like these tortilla chips. They have these really, I don't know, they're just not very good. This hot sauce I bought from Trader Joe's, habanero hot sauce, right? But the cap, I tightened the cap just slightly too much and it just popped right off. So that's fun. So we're gonna try to use that right now. Try to put a little bit on each chip here. Oh, that's so gross. It's all watered down. I should just throw that away, dude. It's gonna be way too hot. Very good. Woo! If your nose ain't running, it ain't good. It ain't hot enough. I mean, you guys ever watch Hot Ones? I kind of miss that show. I used to watch that. Woo! That's hot. Well, guys, look at that nice basketball court. And look, they even have basketballs for free. Man, Colorado's the best. So, I'm still burning over here. So after this, oh, there goes my chips. I think I'm gonna do a flat ground sesh. Let's get it. Why do I like skating so much? That's a good reason right there, guys. Even on your worst day ever, skating can bring out so much joy and make you understand things about life, you know, like never giving up, working hard, you know, not being afraid to fail, afraid to fall down, because it's always gonna be hard, dude. Even these people out here in Breckenridge in these beautiful areas, like life's still hard for them, you know? They might appear to have a better life because they have a Rivian and a nice house, but life's still hard, dude. That's why I love skating, because it's always hard and it's so satisfying when you land a trick. All right, guys, this is our third order from Smashburger, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to get me some Smashburger because this stuff smells so bomb, dude. Damn. All right, guys, we got one last bag of Smashburger. I've been going there so much today taking deliveries, and you know whose bag of Smashburger that is? Yours truly. That's my Smashburger. It smells so good. It's their smash fries that smell good. They're like cooked in garlic and stuff. And guys, I've been holding back on the Smashburger. Dude, we're gonna get it tonight. So yeah, we're just gonna head back to our little spot here in Frisco and call it for this video, guys. I know things are a little weird on the videos now. I'm kind of just hanging out in one area, you know, I'm not going crazy with the traveling, but it's because the DoorDash is so good here. I want to try to hit at least $500 on DoorDash this week. So that is my goal. And yeah, so we're gonna be filming a little bit different style, but anyway, the videos are still gonna be the same pretty much, guys. So thank you guys so much for hanging out. I really do appreciate those nice comments I've been getting. You know, I don't feel like making videos sometimes, guys, but it's when I read those comments saying you guys like stay up and watch my videos and keep watching them, that gets me stoked and makes me want to keep going. So I really do appreciate the good comments and even the bad ones, because they just motivate me. So anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit the hype button, you know, leave a super thanks if you're feeling generous. Let's get it, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.